Achieving ISO 22000-2018 certification is essential for organizations in the food industry dedicated to ensuring food safety throughout the supply chain. This internationally recognized standard demonstrates your commitment to preventing food safety hazards, protecting consumer health, and ensuring regulatory compliance. Achieving certification not only builds credibility, but also strengthens your operational practices and fosters a culture of continual improvement. However, the certification process can be complex, requiring a thorough understanding of ISO 22000 requirements, detailed documentation, and robust food safety management practices. To make your journey smoother, we developed the ISO 22000-2018 Complete Package. This comprehensive toolkit provides everything your organization needs to meet ISO 22000 standards, saving you time and minimizing the risk of costly errors. Our package includes a fully compliant food safety manual and essential procedures aligned with ISO 22000-2018 standards, templates for hazard analysis, critical control points, HACCP, and food safety monitoring tools for managing risk assessments, corrective actions, and continuous improvement in food safety practices. Whether you're beginning the ISO 22000 certification journey or looking to enhance your food safety management system, this package is designed to support you at every step. With all resources in one place, you'll have everything necessary to build an efficient, compliant, and robust food safety management system. Your purchase provides immediate access to all documents, allowing you to get started right away. Plus, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee to ensure your satisfaction throughout the process. Don't let complexity hold you back. Equip your organization with the right tools today and fast-track your path to ISO 22000-2018 certification. Click the button now to gain instant access and make a significant step toward food safety and certification success.